From an investor standpoint, it's all about return on investment and success. And I want to focus in on the relationship between partnerships with great organizations like InterSystems, where you already have a partnership, great organizations like Google and Microsoft and others, and how does that partnership environment focus you as an investor in terms of comfort level that your investment is going to be a good return on investment?
So exactly, as investors, we're looking for like strategic partnerships in the form of M&As and IPOs and whatnot. So firstly, I'd like to say that that it is really important for us as investors to partner with some of the like major pharma companies, with health tech companies, interoperability partners, like major health systems, because when we talk with the companies, we actually sometimes check exactly whether there will be of interest for acquisition or partnership with this player. And this is the best way to check that. I can tell you that we have a lot of things in, like, we believe that this would be a great partner, but it turns out when we speak to Pfizer or somebody else and they say, well, this one we will just do a licensing deal and here we'll probably acquire it. And typically the reason, the way they decide, and that's like comes back to the principles how we invest and many other invest basically. Firstly, the technology, if you use AI, it has to be unattainable without AI. So something which is really unattainable, if you pitch like you're AI powered, then it means that it's something like, making such a pipeline of drugs is impossible without advanced AI, for example. And I can give you another example of our company, Emlet, which we just sold for over $1 billion. So what they did is they were curing and helping with rare diseases where there's some protein missing, and then using AI, they identify the active sites on this protein and create just peptide, which is patentable, and this whole system was unattainable without advanced AI. So now you have a platform where you can create a lot of drugs for many rare diseases, and it turned out that this small active site, this peptide, is more efficacious and safer than actual protein, which is natural in our human body. Which was surprising, but based on some small amount of data, they were ready to be acquired by AstraZeneca, and this is a great partnership which we really liked.